Greetings, our precious followers, and welcome to another informative video where we will share the top 6 islands in the Maldives to surf in winters. As the Maldives lies near the equator, thus it doesn't receive harsh winters or summers. The weather is usually dry during the summers and wet and rainy during the winters. So usually a perfect environment to surf around the waves. So, let's see which are the best islands where you can find the right angles and flow of the waves to have a thrilling surfing experience. Lohis. In addition to having a consistent left-hand wave that splits into 2 portions and is named after the island resort of Lohi, Lohis can also create a fantastic long wave that barrels across the reef when the swell is large enough. Although it can also be successfully used with northeast and northwest winds, ideal conditions call for swell from the southeast and winds from the northwest. Every year, this location hosts the highly regarded WQS O'Neill Deep Blues competition. Jailbreaks. On the island of Himafushi, Jailbreaks, also known as Prison Point, is a beautiful right-hand wave island with long walls and 3 tube sections that are relatively fast. It is situated just across from the local jail, thus the name Jailbreaks. Chickens. Off the coast of the deserted island of Villanjalimathi Hura and across the water from Thulastil Island, Chickens delivers long left-hand waves with sizes varying from 3 to 10 feet. The second section of the wave features simple barrels. One of the best waves in the world, it can provide surfers with rides up to 1,600 feet long on big swell days with ideal wind conditions. Chickens is a wave that is best for intermediate or advanced surfers and is named for the poultry farm on one of the adjacent islands. Cokes. Cokes is a nearby right-hand wave that breaks over a small reef and is named after the Coca-Cola factory on Thulastil Island. Cokes is a spectacular hollow and tubular wave. Only intermediate or experienced surfers should attempt this wave. Ninja's Piddlies. Ninjas or Piddlies is a slow, right-hand wave that's great for beginners and longboarders. It performs best in the west to northwesterly winds and moderate swell because swells above 4 feet have a tendency to spoil the break. Honkies. Situated off the coast of Thabarudu, Honkies offers a very long, fast left-hand wave that can grow to over 6 feet in height in the second part and is the perfect place for winter surfing in northeastern winds. There are a number of other surfing spots in the Maldives, but these 6 top our list for having a fun, splashy surfing experience. So if you are planning to visit the Maldives in winter, then stop by these spots to enjoy the waves. Get in touch with us to plan an amazing Maldives tour. If you have any other requests regarding the Maldives information, then mention them in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to never miss an update. Thank you.